Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can basically find your TikTok balance. So select the three lines on top on the right corner here, and you are just going to select balance, and this is where you can view your TikTok balance. If somebody has gifted you coins and stuff, you'll see them right here. You can even view the information about it and stuff. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And also, if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.